I'm Melissa from Yoga with Melissa, and this is Real Yoga for Real People. We're all about connection. Connection with the teacher and teachings that allow you to connect with your true self and a community of people that are committed to a genuine path of spiritual transformation. If you're new here, thank you so much for subscribing, and thanks to all of you who have subscribed. We are right now in the middle of a 30-day challenge for January, and I just want to say a welcome to all our new subscribers. It's great to have you with us, and thank you to all of you who have been leaving your comments. It's so great to be interacting with all of you here. As I said, in January, we are doing a 30-day challenge, which means I'm putting out a brand new video every single day in January, and I am so glad that you're all enjoying them so much. And if you're new here, just to let you know, on day 8, we're going to be doing a video on how to clean your yoga mat. On day 9 is going to be how yoga helps with anxiety. And on day 10 is going to be how to do yoga breathing. So if this sounds like it interests you, then be sure to subscribe and press that little bell so that you don't miss a single video, and these do show up in your feed through the month of January. So today I am super excited to show you some of the best poses to do in the morning, some of my favorite morning poses. So this is how to do yoga in the morning, or what poses I should do in the morning. So without further ado, let's start with probably one of the most important yoga poses, hatha yoga poses to do in the morning, which is apanasana. This pose is really important because it helps to eliminate waste from your body. So you lie on your back. If you have any low back problems, you're going to keep your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. You always start with your right side, drawing your right knee into your chest. By the way, this is going to be a short class, so you're going to do it with me. That would be my intention for this. Hold on behind your knee, especially if you have any knee issues. You want to put the weight of the leg on the ascending colon here. That's why we start with the right side, so it presses on the ascending colon. From here, you'll slowly release and you'll go to the other side. So now you'll hold on behind your knee, especially if you have knee issues. You'll draw your left knee in so that it presses on your descending colon. Keep your shoulders relaxed. And if you have any low back issues, you're going to keep your right knee bent. From there, we're going to move into one of my favorite yin postures and a great posture to start the morning. You're going to come into Sphinx pose. So for this one, you're going to roll over onto your stomach. And you're going to take your arms out in front of you, wiggle your hips from side to side to release your low back. Draw your elbows underneath you. And you're going to hold here. If you have any neck issues, you could take a block and put it underneath your head and rest your forehead on the block. So the reason why I chose this pose for the morning is because it tonifies the kidneys, and the kidneys provide you with your essence energy, which is a great thing. You think about it like your battery pack for the day. So you're going to be recharging your batteries to give you your essence energy for the day. Now, in a yin yoga class, we would hold this pose for 5 minutes. But in this class, we're going to move on so I can keep it nice and short for you. But I still want you to come down and take a moment to feel the rebound in your body. So feel the energy moving through your kidneys and your low back. And then from here, we're going to come up onto all fours. So you'll push yourself up onto all fours, take your hands underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips, and we're going to do some cat pose to move your spine in all directions to release the stiffness from being so still through the whole night. So you're going to exhale, round up through your back, and inhale and arch through your back. Breathing out and rounding through your back. Breathing in and arching through your back. And we're going to move your spine in all directions. So you've done flexion and extension here, and then I want you to walk your hands to the side so you've got some side flexion as well here. And then we'll go to the other side. And then come back to the center, and we're going to add some rotation too. So we'll just do an inhale up, exhale, rotate, and we're going to keep this dynamic so that we're moving it. Inhale up. Exhale, rotate. Inhale up. Exhale, rotate. Inhale up. Exhale, rotate. One more on this side. And then let's do that on the other side as well. So breathe in, up. Breathe out, rotate. And then come back to the center. From here, we're going to come into downward facing dog. So downward facing dog is a nice gentle inversion for the morning. Plus it's a nice full body pose to stretch out the backs of the legs and also build strength in your upper body. So your hands are going to be underneath your shoulders or slightly forward. Toes are going to tuck under, and you're going to reach your hips up. First, let's work with lengthening the spine. And then you're going to start to paddle the heels out. And then from here, we'll make our way up to standing. Okay, from standing, we're going to do breath of joy, which is an incredibly invigorating, uplifting, energizing breath that will lift your mood and get you ready for the day. So the way that it works is you're going to inhale, bring your arms out in front. Inhale, take them out to the side. Inhale, take your arms overhead. And then you exhale and you fold forward. If you have high and low blood pressure, you're just going to do the arms and you're going to stay upright. If you want a little bit more, you could do it from a squat position. Okay, so then you'll still get the legs. But going up and down is just going to give you, you're going to make you really dizzy. Okay? All right, here we go. And then finish down, pause here for a moment, and slowly make your way up to standing. Okay, so that's it, my quick little short morning routine to help you start your morning with yoga, what yoga poses to do in the morning. So if you like that, make sure you put the words joy in the comments, give the video a thumbs up. And also just to let you know that if you are a member, we have over 10 videos in our membership community for morning sequences that are short, anywhere from 10 minutes to 30 minutes. So it's nice and easy so you can get your kids off to school in the mornings. And if you are a member, I'll put the link for that in the show notes. And if you're not already a member, a link to become a member. So if you made it all the way to the end, be sure to put the words joy in the comments. And I want to thank you so much for joining us for this 30-day challenge. It's been such fun so far. And I will see you tomorrow when I'm going to show you how to clean your mat. Namaste.